Come to my house and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come to my church and see what the Lord has done. Come to Africa and see what the Lord has done. What the Lord has done. See 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 what the Lord has done. He has done me well. He has done me well. He has wiped away my tears, given me joy. I'm not beneath. I am the head. I'm not the tail. I am blessed. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Mukama byakose. Mukama byakolekeze. Banange. Mukama byakose. Mukama byakose. Mukama byakose. They come over near me. So we are receiving their introduction. I'm Natava Sala, class teacher top class, as well as assistant head of nursery section.
Ochikubire mu ngalo ekyo bannange. Abantu betegereze.
My name is eyandiyagedde, teacher baby class.
My name is Businge Goretti, teacher top class.
My name is Narina Victoria, class teacher middle class.
Kyekyo.
I'm Nachiboka Grace, class teacher baby class. Thank you very much, my dear colleagues, for that introduction. Dear guests of honor, our enrollment in nursery targets children from 3 to 6 years for classes baby, middle, and top. The entire turn-up for academic year 2019 has been 120 pupils. So parents, we thank you very much, and we hope you will send us more children next year. The teacher pupil ratio is 1 to 20. Therefore, my entire staff comprises of the 6 teachers behind me. We have developed capacity, health, and physical growth of our children through play activities. Children have developed good social habits as individuals and as members of the society. We have developed moral values in our children. You've seen, we've got people who can preach to us. We've seen the masters of ceremony. We no longer need to go out to hire. So basically, that is what we are trying. And if you go on the side of academics, I'm just sure you know what it is, because our children from here, even if the child is taken to one of those best schools, let's say Namagunga or Namiriango, our children have the capability of competing with those children whom you will find there. So academically, we are doing it to the best. I thank the teachers for that. Our children can appreciate their national and cultural background and customs. And we have developed love and care and feeling for other people. And not only that, even their feeling for Uganda as a country. Allow me, as I conclude, I want to call upon parents. of these graduates here, that from here you immediately run to the bursar's office, because these children's vacancies are already secured next year in primary. Don't take them anywhere. On a great note, I humbly forward my sincere appreciation to our chief guest, to the director, dear parents. I strongly want to emphasize this, that our director and our school bursar, they facilitate us so well. I think no one looks to be a big stressor. We are all okay. So we thank them so much. They are doing it to their best to see that we are looking the way we are looking. And all the invited guests in your respective capacities for the support rendered to our school. Abaganyi baffe mwena sirina kyenjogera, bebaza kujja, limpa abaana, kye twetaaga be baana. Ate natugezaako tugezeeko olabe.